Energy balls, energy bites, energy something. Call these what you will, but they're round, delicious, take almost no time to make, actually have energy in them, and you don't need an oven to make them. Have I convinced you yet to try my... That wording could have went a little south. We're gonna stay north and just jump right into this one. We'll start this one with our chocolate protein balls. Add into a bowl 6 tablespoons of a nut butter, 2 tablespoons of brown rice syrup or honey, 2 tablespoons of a Greek yogurt, and 1.5 scoops of a chocolate protein powder. Mix those up good until they look like this. Follow that with 1 cup of rolled oats, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and your energy, which also complements the chocolate, 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. Give those a mix. They don't mix together well, add in a little bit more Greek yogurt until they do. You could also make this part even easier by just using your hand to mix everything together. You could fold in some chips, nuts, dried fruit, and so on at this point, but we're not going to do that today. Go ahead and shape half a ball. I make mine about this big. Repeat till your mix is gone. Next, we move on to our vanilla protein balls. Add into a bowl 5 tablespoons of a nut butter, 2 tablespoons of brown rice syrup or honey, 2 tablespoons of a Greek yogurt, and 1.5 scoops of a vanilla protein powder. Mix those up. They should look like this when you're done mixing. Continue by adding in 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of a brown sugar substitute, and 1 cup of rolled oats. Mix all of those together. Now, for this last part, instead of shaping them all out, just take enough of your mix to equal the chocolate half and shape your ball around it like this. Or some would say, marry them. Repeat till all of your protein balls are done. Easy enough, right? I like to push in a few sugar-free chocolate chips to each one to dress them up a bit, but if you don't want to do that, I can promise you that they're absolutely delicious as is. You can make these protein balls a million different ways now that you have this recipe. Add in stuff to the middle of them, roll them around in something, mix in your favorite toppings, and so on. Think outside the box and prepare yourself for a mouthful of great macros. With that said, there's another recipe in the books. I hope you're loving these quick recipes and the consistency on the channel lately. Don't forget, you can scale the recipe now, find a full calorie breakdown, and print it all on the Protein Chef website. I always link to the recipe below. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already. And of course, stay healthy and enjoy your balls. Also, like the video or like the protein balls, protein bites, protein something. Let me know down below what you're gonna call them. And if we grow, we can, what is my ink? Energy balls.